Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about the case statement in structured query language. The case statement is same as the switch case statement in C or C++ programming. Here the syntax for the case statement is the case statement is started with the case keyword and ended with the end keyword, and in between we have multiple conditions, and the conditions will be checked from top to bottom. So first of all, the condition 1 will be checked. If the condition 1 become true, then the result 1 will be returned, and all the conditions after that will be skipped. But if the condition 1 become false, then the condition 2 will be checked, and this way the conditions will be checked from top to bottom. If none of the conditions become true, then the result in the else part will be returned. But if we do not provide any else part in our case statement, then the query will return the null value. Like an example, we have the employee table, and inside the employee table we have all the employee record. Now we can write the query, select name, age, and then we have the case statement where we are checking if the age is less than 25, then we're gonna have the text young. If the age is less than 40, then we're gonna have the text mid-aged. Else we're gonna have the text old. And then we have ended the case statement, and after that we have written as age text. So we are creating the column age text where we're gonna have the remarks about the age of the employee, and after that we have written from the table employee. So this query will return the name of the employee, the age of the employee, and then we're gonna have the column age text which will have the remark about the age of the employee. Like an example, we have the employee table, and inside the employee table we have the record of all the employee. Now we're gonna write the query to have the remarks about the age of all the employee. So I'm gonna write select name and age, and then we're gonna use the case statement, and the condition is when the age is less than 25, then we're gonna have the string young. But when the age is gonna be less than 40, then we're gonna have the string as mid-aged. Else we're gonna have the string old, and after that we're gonna end the case statement with the end keyword, and then we're gonna write as age text. So we're creating the column called age text, and after that I'm gonna write from the table employee. So now if we just execute that query, and you can see we have the name column, age column, and the age text column which will have the remark about the age of all the employee. So this is the way we can use the case statement which is having multiple conditions, and whenever one of the conditions become true, then the corresponding result will be returned as output. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.